Hey everybody, it's Julie with Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys another off-road trailer we just got on the ground. This one's a 2019 7x16 off-road trailer in a matte bronze blackout package. This one does have the full generator box cover on the front. You also have a generator platform underneath that. Removable heavy-duty front coupler and a side swivel jack with this unit as well. There's that really cool generator box. Side door does have double lock protection with the RV lock and cam bar. You also have power with this unit, so you've got an exterior GFI outlet located right there. 2 of the LED light bars on the side of this trailer. These are crazy bright, awesome lights. We love these. 2 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, black American aluminum racing wheels, and 32-inch Mudterrain tires. Plus, you've got the really nice black diamond paint fender. This unit's going to have somewhere between 19 and 20 inches worth of ground clearance, and those torsion axles give you guys an independent suspension underneath the trailer, so you guys can really get these off-road and have some fun. You also have an aluminum roof rack with ladder, so some exterior storage space up there as well. Drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door does have a spring assist close, so it's easy to open and close this rear ramp door. 7-foot interior height with this unit as well, so great for UTVs and side-by-sides. Plus, you've got 2 of the LED load lights here off the back. These are spots, and again, great bright lights. You guys will have no problem seeing in the dark when you need to load and unload. Insulated walls and ceiling with this unit as well, and then you also have the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. 2 of the 18x44 slider windows with screens are across from each other. They are tinted. You can lock them, and you can open up the screens all the way as well too. So great cross ventilation there. Plus you have an overhead Maxx Air roof vent that has a bubble cover over it, so it won't leak water in on your stuff if you guys have that open. Awesome. Nudo floor with Drymax. We love this floor. Plus it's got the water resistant product on the underneath side of it, which is also on the underneath side of your trailer. So great for longevity purposes there. 4 D-rings in the floor as well. We've got 2 here in the back, 2 more up front, so you've got some tie down points. Interior outlets, it looks like we've got 4. So 1 here in the back and 3 more up front there. And then you've got a light switch back here. This is going to flip on these overhead LED lights here at the back. So you can drop this ramp door and immediately get some light. And it is wired to your battery, so you guys can have interior light and exterior light without having to be plugged into a vehicle or a generator. So great feature there. We do have 4 pucks in here, which are these guys. 2 on each side. And again, these are going to run off of this battery. So we'll just come in and talk about this right now. So this is your battery with a battery charger. And again, that runs all of your 12-volt lighting. And then we also have the 30-amp service. This right here, you take this cord, pop it right through the floor. You can go into a generator, an extension cord, campground, whatever. That's going to power up your interior outlets for you. It's going to power up your AC unit with a heat strip, so you do have climate control there to heat and cool the trailer. It's also going to power up these 2 4-foot LEDs along the ceiling. So lots of different lighting options, lots of different power options, but I just love that now we can pull the trailer up, drop the trailer, get it situated, and still be able to have light. It's a great feature. So here it is. I will post the stock number and price of this unit down below in the description. If you guys don't live near us, no worries. We can get you your off-road cargo trailer. We do have shipping options. Call us for a quote. And if you guys want to build one, give us a call or go right to our website. We have a tab on there, Build My Off-Road Trailer. You guys can select your option, submit it, and we'll get you a build going. It takes about 12 weeks to build a unit similar to this, and we can ship it out to you. So if you have any questions, please give us a call, 303-688-8485. Submit us an email or always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.